consider Joma as our leader, a well-known intellectual, writer, poet. Many of our organizations under Bayan and under the International League of People's Struggles Philippines chapter are here to join the International Day of Action to support the struggle or the demand of Joma for permanent residence in the Netherlands. Permanent residence for Joma? No! To the Dutch Embassy, we are here to join the demand of peoples all over the world to grant permanent residence for Joma. Joma has been staying in your country for the past 20 years and not any violation has he committed in your country. All the branches of government except the Ministry of Justice have considered Joma as a political refugee and is entitled to all the protection of the state. And yet, the Dutch government has not heeded the appeal of many peoples of the world for granting refugee status to Joma and granting him permanent residence. We will not stop demanding from your government this appeal because we consider Joma as our leader, a well-known intellectual, writer,